Good morning, children. How are you? How you are enjoyed your summer holidays as well as what this time we got many days holidays due to what Corona. So my name is B Ravinder Reddy. So I am working at what GHS Parupalli Street as what PGT in Physical Science, postgraduate teacher in Physical Science. I completed my master degree in 1999. From there onwards, what I am teaching in what reputed colleges as well as in schools. Before I got job, so I worked in what different reputed colleges. After I got job, I am working in the in government sector, government schools as a what teacher. So I got teacher job in 2002 January. That is nothing but 2001 DSC. So this is the index of our state syllabus, that is Telangana syllabus. So physical science, 10th class physical science lessons are what, how many lessons we have? Total 12 lessons we have. So in these what 12 lessons, so they are the lessons are what reflect. First lesson is reflection of light at curved surfaces. Second lesson is chemical equations. Third lesson is acids, bases and their salts. Fourth lesson is refraction of light at curved surfaces. Fifth lesson is human eye and colorful world. Sixth lesson is structure of atom. Seventh lesson is classification of elements and the periodic table. Eighth lesson is chemical bonding. Ninth lesson is electric current. 10th lesson electromagnetism. Next one, 11th lesson principles of metallurgy. 12th lesson carbon and its compounds. So in these what 12 lessons we have what physics part lessons are reflection of light at curved surfaces. This is the what physics part. Chemical equations, acids and bases, these are chemistry. So this is what physics part. This is human eye and colorful world is also a physics part. Next one here, electric current. This is what physics part. Here I wrote what, see, P these are. So here what electromagnetism also, this is the what physics part. So these are the what physics part. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lessons. Remaining what 12 lessons are what chemistry lessons. They are what one is what chemical equations. Second one is acids, bases and their salts. This is what chemistry. Next one, structure of atom is chemistry part. Chemical bonding is also chemistry part. Next one, principles of another one, periodic classification is also a chemistry part. Principles of metallurgy is also chemistry part. Carbon and its compounds also what chemistry part. These are what our lessons, total 12 lessons we have. So in these 12 lessons what today we will what discuss about what acids, bases and their salts. We will start acids, bases and their salts. While I am what teaching or I am giving notes, those notes must be what helpful to what all the entrance examinations as well as what our state and state concepts or state examinations also. That means what, to get easy rank in polytechnic and TS RJC examinations, I will give what notes. That means what I will cover what CBSE ICSE syllabus also. Nothing but what I want to, what I am saying is, even though I am teaching what state syllabus, so in order to get the good ranks in what APRJC, TSRJC and as well as what triple IT seats, so I want to cover so CBSE syllabus as well as what ICSE syllabus also. So now let me concentrate on what our lesson, that is what acids, bases and their salts. Acids, bases and their salts. So in this what acids, bases and their salts, first we will discuss what is meant by acid, what is meant by base. So how they are defined, the definitions of olden days and the definitions of what nowadays what we are using. So that means what, let me start with what differences with acids and bases. What is mean by acid? Acid means what acid term was derived. Acid term was derived from Latin word as what, acidus means what sour in taste, or sour, it may also called as tart in what taste. Base term was derived from where? Base term was derived from where? Alkali. What is meant by alkali? Alkali means so calcinated calcinated ash of plants or substances used to roast in pan. That means what, when we so burn the plant materials, we will get what, ash. So that ash, when we mixed with water, we will get what, some soapy touch like material. That soapy touch like material is called as what, base. Next one, so taste, how they are taste. So acids are what, sour in taste. Acids are what, sour in taste, whereas bases are what, bitter in taste. Bitter in taste and slippery to touch. Bitter in taste and slippery to touch. Next one, how they turns red litmus paper. So they turns blue litmus to red litmus. This is what bases, it turns red litmus to blue litmus. In order to what, easy remembering, I want to give this what, acid, then you can what, easily identify the base. So acid, you can what term use as with bra, 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 b with the red కదా నా పేరు. So bra, first three letters, bra. So that means what, this blue litmus to red litmus is turned by acid. Blue to red is by acid. Then you can easily remember the reverse is what, base. Reverse is base. Next one, acids give pink color with methyl orange indicator. Pink color with methyl orange indicator, whereas bases gives yellow color with methyl orange indicator. So acids give which color with methyl orange? Pink color. Bases yellow color. Next one, with phenolphthalein indicator. These two are the what, artificial indicators which we are what frequently used in the lab. Up to 10th standard we used what, blue litmus and red litmus in order to get the what, acid and base concept or nature to identify. So acids forms colorless solution with phenolphthalein indicator, whereas what, bases give what, pink or red color with phenolphthalein indicator. What we were discussed, acids, what is mean by acid, and what is mean by base, how they are taste. Next one, what is the color change with blue litmus paper with red litmus paper, and what is the color change with methyl orange indicator, and along with and also phenolphthalein indicator. So Lavoisier Lavoisier gave one definition to the what, acids. Lavoisier said that every acid contains oxygen, and that oxygen is what, is responsible the what, properties of acids. Lavoisier said that every acid contains oxygen, and the properties of acids are due to the presence of oxygen atoms only. And he said that oxygen means acid producer. Oxygen means what? Acid producer. But every acid contains oxygens. That was Humphrey Davy proved that HCl has what, all acidic properties. But it doesn't have what, oxygen atoms. Oxygen, does it has oxygens? No, it has oxygens even though it is acid. So that's why what, oxygen is the not main concept or main atom in order to get the what, properties of what, acids. Liebig, German scientist, proposed that all acids are contains hydrogens, and this hydrogen must be what, replaced with metals. That means what, the hydrogens contain, all hydrogens containing compounds are not acids. According to the what, Liebig. According to Liebig, that compound should contains hydrogens and should be what, replaced by the metal atoms when they are reacts with the metals. Next one, according to Ingold, according to what, Ingold Robinson, electrophiles are the bases. What is meant by electrophile? Electron loving species, electron attracting species. In order to attract the electrons, it should contains what, negative charge. In order to attract the electrons, they should contains what, electrons, positive charge. All positively charged species are acts as what, electrophiles. According to Lux Flood, oxide ion acceptor is acid, oxide ion donor is base. So oxide ion what, acceptor is what? Acid, and oxide ion donor is what? Base. Oxide ion means what? O minus 2. Oxide, this is the O minus 2 ion is called as what? Oxide ion. If what a molecule is what? Able to donate O minus 2 ions, O minus 2 ions, that is the what? Base. If it is what? A substance is what? Able to accept O minus 2, that should be considered as what? Acid. Next one, sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate solutions acts as antacids. What is mean by antacid? The substance which will works against to acid. Against to acid is called as what? Antacid. In order to neutralize the acid which is present in the water in our stomach, gastric juice, hydrochloric acid. So in order to neutralize this hydrochloric acid, gastric juice or stomach juice, so we used sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate solutions under the names of what? Antacids. Here what? Some other what? Concept, one more concept I want to give you. H3O plus is called as what? Hydronium ion. H3O plus is called as what? Hydronium ion. That means what? In aqueous solutions, aqueous solution means water containing solution. In aqueous solutions, H plus never be present in the form of H plus. It always present in the form of hydronium ion, H3O plus ions, H3O plus ions. Okay children, so this is the what about the introduction class which is related to what? Acids and bases. I covered what all the introductions which are related to what? State syllabus, CBSE and ICSE syllabuses also. So now let we what enter into what second class or second lecture, that is about the what? Theories of acids and bases. Theories of acids and bases. Okay students, now what I will give you, this is some video, that video passage, in order to take the what screenshots, and in order to what? Make the notes. Dear students, write notes clearly. I will check after what reopen the school. Take a screenshot. So these are the notes related to the first lecture of what? Acids and bases. Acids and bases.